people? I'm out in the UZ swap Starion. Sorry for that really loud voice there. I'm out in the UZ swap Starion. I'm meeting up with some buddies and we're going to do a mountain run. And I'm going to slide the Starion a bit. And we'll see how that goes. I don't really like the way this thing slides because it has... kick this on. It has a lightweight flywheel, so it revs out super easy. So you got to be, and it's so torquey. You have to be really easy on the throttle. So that's mainly the purpose here, is to get more used to that, so that way it's more slidable when the time comes where I want to slide, and not just learning and figuring it out in this car. The S2000 slides like a dream, but this thing, it's a little hard to control because of that lightweight flywheel. So anyways, we'll see you up there or on the way, and you'll see me doing some sliding. So man, it's a Lexus V8. Yeah. What do you have? Alright folks, this is the beginning of the mountain here. The turns will get tighter and stuff, and I'll kick it back on then. This car handles amazing, don't get me wrong. It's on D2 coilovers, big old, you know, factory wheels and stuff, but it is very front heavy because of the V8, and it does like to step out. So I can't push this car like I can push other cars and stuff through the mountain. I've tried. It just wants to slide. Really, the whole front end will just start sliding on you through the corners. It'll push through. So I'm going to avoid that a little bit, but I'll kick it back on once we get up to the corners. So I don't want to give it a reason to. See, even there, it's wanting to step out. And we're running up on traffic. Hellcat learns to launch. He's gonna actually launch it though. Let's see what he's got. I'd like to drive the S2000, Edgar. I'm not taking the cage out.
That's the problem.
Kicking rocks pretty good. I better move your shit.
Yeah, that's my fault.
You want to give it a shot, Chris?
I just want to drive a Starion. I don't even care about sliding. It's a Starion.
It just doesn't slide like you would expect with all that fucking torque.
Well, it's probably because she's nose heavy, but I'm gonna scoot your seat forward a little.
Well, I moved it back for you.
Not that big, bro. Sorry.
You
I smell like Burger King.
I like Burger King.
See what that RPM band is like.
I just can't get this car to link. That's why I wanted to come out here.
Oh, yeah, you ain't kidding. She's like nose heavy.
Yeah,
dude.
it just wants to spin out.
Alright. Let me try something, maybe. Your throttle's really, really touchy, dude.
That's what I was saying, dude. It either spikes or...
Alright, hold on. No, bro, this is hard to slide.
That's what I was telling you, bro. I wasn't bullshit. I was like, dude, I've slid some cars, so this thing is a pain in the ass.
Let me try a little one more, right? And then I'm done. I don't want to. I've been beating on everybody else's shit, not my own.
Good to go.
No way, dude. No way. That snapback is extreme. What tires are on here?
They're actually some pretty beefy tires.
I feel like they grip way too hard. You got a good one, dude.
Yeah, that was awesome.
I tried. It's the Mazdarati.
Like mine right now, constantly just goes off going through town because it doesn't have any updates.
I found one on the side of the road on my way to work and picked it up, plugged it in. It was just some cheap ass. Well, it was like a $200 one on Amazon. And but then I'm in the middle of nowhere and the caveman keeps going off, and I'm like, oh, that's why they chucked it out the window. Tired of hearing this radar detector. Heading home now, ladies and gentlemen. Let's say I got here with one hand. Whoa. See, this car is way too front heavy happy, and that's why I do not push this car on the mountain. I barely even, I mean, this is low speed. It just is super happy to push out. And I'm glad I got that on video. That's exactly what happens when you try to push this car. the V8 swap is just not a mountain car, and that's okay. I don't bring it up here expecting to do good on the mountain. I bring it up because it's still just a fun cruiser car. So, but yeah, it is super easy to just let go on you. So I'm gonna put 2 hands back on the wheel while I hit these corners as good as I can, and I will see you guys on the next one. All right, but first, now that I have the windows down, oh, I got a fox just ran across the road there. Now that I got the windows down, I want you guys to hear this car off the mountain.